Hey guys, I know I'm looking crazy, but I wanted to share with you guys this hair. This is like my fourth purchase from the brand Julia Hair, as you can see here. And I must say, amazing. This is a body wave with like a natural color with like two-tone highlights. As you can see, I haven't styled or nothing. I'm just literally just getting the glue. And I want to show you guys my eyebrows. Right now they're super dark because it's drying. I actually just did a henna brow treatment. It's called Premium Henna Brow by Parallel Products. I actually ordered this from Amazon. I think it was 17, 18 bucks or something like that. But what it is, it comes with where is it? It comes with a little vial of henna powder. Hold on. Okay. It comes with this box. It comes in this box, everything. It comes with a little vial of henna powder. It comes with a mixing bowl, which is this. And I actually mixed way too much. I thought I put a little bit, but when I say a little bit goes a long way, it goes a long way, guys. Comes with this cute little brush applicator, which is how I was able to get my shape and whatnot. A little syringe so that you can squeeze, you know, the amount of water that you need to go inside of the mixing powder. 3 of these little popsicle sticks. I don't know. I didn't use these. I don't even know what it's for, guys. Oil. This oil is like a repair oil. So once I'm supposed to let this dry for 10 to 15 minutes, which also I'm letting my glue dry. Once you wipe it off, like the excess henna, this is what you use like every other day just to keep your eyebrows and stuff and your skin not too dry. It's just like a protective oil or something like that. A repair, nourish, and grow oil. There you go. And it came with the cutest little mixing spoon. How cute is this? So, yes. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, I'm doing henna brows tonight. Julia Hair. It is body wave, 20-inch. I will link down below the exact name of the hair and the price and whatnot. And I'll also link this from Amazon. I just ate, y'all. I got like chicken or something, spaghetti in my teeth. So I'm going to pull my wig forward because my glue is pretty much clear. And y'all, like, literally, it takes me 10-15 minutes to do my wigs because I do them so often that it don't take me much. So I had already started the process, and like my hair is super short because I shaved it all off. Okay, so I'm seeing where this is going. And this is a 5x5 closer or something like that. Like I said, I'll link everything below, guys. Julia Hair is like my life right now. I've ordered so much hair from them. It's not even funny. Because they have really good hair, like really good hair. So I can't even, like, I wouldn't be coming on here telling y'all to go get hair from them if it was trash. And I usually get like a full lace because I like to part my hair usually down the side here. But as you can see, this is just a middle part. So my daughter's in there laughing like a crazy woman. So I'm just this is a middle part lace. So, and I do have to do some plucking here. Some plucking here to make it look natural. I'm gonna show you guys the length. It is 20 inches. Super pretty, guys. This hair is so soft. I'm like in love already. I'm like in love with this henna brow because like nothing, guys. Nothing. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair straight. Wipe off the excess from this henna glue. And oh shoot. And then I'll be back.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. 'Cause everything turned to nothing so easily, and now you ain't there, it's so clear to see. Like, why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe, and all I ever wanted was your honesty. I just don't know what to believe. Just don't lie to me. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I am going to let this sit so that it can dry some. As you guys see, I wiped off some of the excess of the henna, so it's not so dark. I'll style it and then I'll come back in so you guys see the final results. Bye. Alright guys, so I am done installing my hair, and as you can see, it is beautiful. Julia hair. You did it again, honey. And then my brows. I have wiped off the excess. So this is what the henna brows look like. As you can see, nothing comes off on my hands. I get to wake up tomorrow and don't gotta worry about doing my brows. That's 10 minutes saved. So maybe 10 minutes extra sleep.